Hey guys, it is November 16th, 2023. I got a pretty cool feature here on the sun. I'd like to get to take a look at. We'll take a look at it as a whole first. Let's see if you guys can notice. Do that one more time before we zoom in here. Did you catch it? So we have a pretty good release here. Right? But then at the same time, if you look up here in the opposite corner and watch the corona, see that perturbation? To me, it seems like it wraps around the entire sun. It starts down here in the corner and wraps around and comes back here at the top right, and possibly down there into the same initial point. Wraps back around and comes back in. See if we can try to follow it. There's the release, there's the corona, back around. You can't follow it, but it does go all the way around. Now that I notice it, or now that I showed it to you, let's go back and look at the whole sun and see if you can see that wrap around. Kind of have a pretty broad coronal hole occurring pretty much over the whole Earth facing part of the sun. It's just barely there, but it's peeking through. Go ahead and zoom in on this too. I thought this was pretty neat. It's filament here. Wish I could get it just to play over and over. It's amazing we can view this nowadays in such clarity. Different angstroms. That region there is pretty active. That's on the limb. Wow. Looks like there was a filament eruption a little low and to the right of Earth. I don't know. It may be headed towards Earth by the way it's coming off there. It's hard to say. Guys, watch this filament come around and then it looks like it comes right at us, maybe. Well, right at the camera. We'll go check the Parker spiral, the what is it? Enlil. We'll go check it Enlil. I'll be right back. I don't see any releases on the Enlil spiral. but it seems NOAA doesn't update as quick as SDO. Let's go check the European space weather. And we're over here on the ESA space weather, and it does look like they have the release, the filament release. Looks like it'll be a glancing blow. Yeah, that whole side is active. That's going on the right limb, moving away from Earth. That side's pretty active. So that's that filament that started with that flare that worked its way around the top corona and back around again to release that flare. Pretty wild. What's your guys' thoughts on this? Is the sun waking up? Is it near its maximum? Is it peaking early? I think Valentina Zarkova had it peaking early on her graph, on her plots. I'm fairly certain she had it peaking early and then kind of dying out. So we'll see. Future will tell. So yeah, we got more stuff headed our way. Looks like it'll hit right at midnight UTC time on the 18th, 19th sometime. So heads up.